Exposing the latest tech breakthrough for iPhone users, WhatsApp is taking over your device. With the latest WhatsApp update, iPhone users can now set WhatsApp as their default app for calls and text messages. This new feature, available with the update to iOS 18.2, makes communication more streamlined and convenient. To make WhatsApp your go-to app, just head to your iPhone settings, select Apps, then Default Apps, and choose WhatsApp for both messaging and calling. It's that simple. Once you set WhatsApp as your default, your iPhone will automatically use it for phone numbers on web pages, and when you hit the message button in your contacts. This means a unified, efficient way to manage all your calls and messages straight through WhatsApp. For iPhone users keen on a smoother communication experience, this update is a game changer. Make the switch today and enjoy the seamless integration. Stay connected, stay efficient, and let WhatsApp handle the rest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.